Hello students, how are you? Hope you are all well and you are enjoying the online classes and you prepared your lessons properly. This is the fifth class of the chapter The Fish Tale. The last class we have learned some problem sums on the topic the fish market and women's Minkar Bank. Okay, today we will start from page number 12. So my dear student, please be ready with your math magic book and copy. Open page number 12. Okay, so read with me from here. Practice time. Gracie needs money to buy a net. Jhansi and her sister want to buy a logboat, so they take a loan from their bank. They will return it with interest. Okay, so here borrowing money from bank, that is loan. Okay, and what is interest? Listen, when someone takes loan from bank, okay, when they return the money, they have to pay some extra money. Okay, that extra money is called interest. Is it clear, my dear student? Okay, now come to the question A. Gracie took a loan of rupees 4,000 to buy a net. She paid back rupees 345 every month for 1 year. How much money did she pay back to the bank? So you can underline here, because from this line we will write the statement of the answer. Okay, so what is the statement of the answer? That in 1 month Gracie paid back, look from this line, 1 month Gracie paid back rupees 345. Is it clear? So in 1 year, how many months? 12. So in 12 months Gracie paid back, what we will do? Multiplication, rupees 345 into 12, so 4,140. Therefore she paid back rupees 4,140 to the bank. You can just highlight the answer. Okay, look, Gracie took loan for 4,000, but when she paid back rupees 4,140. Look, 140 rupees more he paid back. Why? Because this is the interest. Okay, the more money, the extra money is the interest. Is it clear, my dear student? Okay, come to the next question. Jhansi and her sister took a loan of rupees 21,000 to buy a logboat. They paid back a total of 23,520 in a year. Here, what is given? In a year, that means in 12 months they paid back this money. How much money they paid back for every month? Every month means what? For 1 month. So what is the statement? In 12 months they paid back rupees 23,520. Okay, so every month, that means for 1 month. So 1 month they will pay back more or less? So divided by 12. So what is the answer? Rupees 1,960. Is it clear? So write the answer statement and highlight the answer. Very easy. Okay, come to the next page. Okay, we'll start from here. Why don't we start a new fish drying factory? The women of Minkar Bank also want to start a factory to dry fish. The Panchayat has given them some land for that. Over years they have saved rupees 74,000. They find out how much they will need for the factory. Fazila writes the things they need to buy to begin. See the table for the cost of each item and the number of items they want to buy. Find the total cost. Okay, so turn your page number. Okay, page number 14. Here, look, in this table, item given, price of each given, number of items given, cost given. Bore well for fresh water, rupees 3,000, item 1. Bamboo rack for fish drying, rupees 2,000, number of item 20. Here it is given, so we have to find the cost. So tell me one thing, if cost of one eternity is already given, no problem. But here for bamboo rack for fish drying, one cost 2000. What will be the cost for 20? We will do multiplication. So in the same way we will fill the table. So you please draw this table. Okay, look here. One item 3000, so 1 into 3000. Here one item cost 2000, so what will be the cost for 20 item into 20? One item cost 1000, what will be cost for 4 into 4? One item cost 300, what will be the cost for 20? 20 into 300 it is given, and here it is doing that 20 into 7. Is it clear? Okay, now total how we got that by adding this, by adding this you got this answer. Is it clear? Okay, come to the next. Now, so total cost to set up the factory rupees 54,500. When fresh fish is dried, it becomes 1/3 its weight. In 1 month, they plan to dry 6,000 kg of fresh fish. How much dried fish will they get in 1 month? How much dried fish they will? So 1/3. So 1/3 of 6,000. So 1/3 of 6,000 how will got? So if you cut it here 3 and here 6,000, 2 and 3 0, 1 2 and 3, so answer will be 2000 kg. Is it clear? Okay, come to the next. Here Florama let us first calculate for 6 kg of fresh fish. We buy fresh fish for rupees 15 per kg, and we sell dried fish for rupees 70 per kg. We dry 6 kg fresh fish to get dash kg dried fish. So just previous we have learned 1/3. So 1/3 of 6 kg. So 1/3 of 6 kg is equal to 2 kg dried fish. If you cut this 3 and 6, it will be 2. Now for 6 kg fresh fish we have to pay. Now my dear student, see here, what is the cost for fresh fish per kg? Rupees 15. So what will be cost for 6 kg? 6 into 15, rupees 90. Now we will say dried fish. So what is the cost for dried fish? 70. So 2 into per kg 70. So for 2 kg 2 into 70, rupees 140. So if we dry 6 kg fresh fish, we will earn, and they sell by rupees 140 and they paid rupees 90. So how much money will be left with them? So it is rupees 50. Is it clear? Okay, so but if we dry 6,000 kg, we can earn rupees dash into 1,000. Why? Look here. Here 6 kg given. Now here asks for 6,000. So if we multiply 6, it will be 6,000. Similarly, if we multiply the money with 1,000, it will be 50,000. Look here, just multiply it. Okay, rupees 50 is multiplied by 1,000, and answer is rupees 50,000 in 1 month. Is it clear? Okay. Now, next page. Here, Jhansi, I found that for 6,000 kg we would need 1,500 kg salt every month. Its price is rupees 2 per kg. So 1 kg salt cost rupees 2. So what is the cost of 1,500 kg salt? Look here, salt. So what it will be multiplication? Just do the calculation. 3,000, and packing and bus charges given 3,000. So total monthly cost. So for total, what we will do? We will do addition. Just do this addition with 3,000 plus 3,000. It will be 6,000. Is it clear? Okay. Now, Fazila that sounds very good. Our calculations that every month our bank will earn rupees 44,000. Check to see if you also get the same answer. Let's check. Okay, so monthly earn, in the last page you have seen that monthly earns rupees 50,000, and monthly cost for drying and selling, here total monthly cost for drying and selling rupees 6,000. So money left rupees 44,000. So we also get the same answer. Okay, so thank you student. That's all from the first chapter. Okay, our first chapter is completed. Hope you understand it well. Okay, thank you, and prepare this chapter very properly. Okay, thank you.